All right then. Yeah, just check 1 2, check 1 2. Check. That sounds pretty good. Give me a check. Check 1 2. Ah. Okay, yeah, that sounds pretty good. All right then. Bonjour ni Jonashana Bedug, and welcome back to BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. We have a very special guest today. We've got the Count from Sesame Street. Oh, thank you very much, Nana BOOZHOO. We got a very special show today. We're gonna count with the Count. So, hey Count, do you know any Ojibwe? You know, I do not. I'm not from around here. I am from Transylvania. Transylvania? I thought you were from Sesame Street. No, that is just my job. I have a summer place in Sesame Street, but I'm from Transylvania. Oh, well, welcome to Minnesota, Count. All right then, so I'll teach you with the kids here how to count to 5. Let's see, how should we do this? Tell you what, Count. Why don't you say the English, and then I'll say the Ojibwe? Oh, that's a very good idea, my friend. All right, we'll begin with number 1. 1. Yeah, okay, but you know what? You don't have to laugh after everything you say. Oh, yes, I'm begging your pardon, sir. No, that's okay. Why don't you start over? Okay. 1. Beijing. 2. Nij. 3. Niswe. 4. Niwin. 5. Nanan. Oh, that's very interesting. Hey, you know what I just noticed? What's that, my friend? You just said, oh, that's really interesting. I think we're rubbing off on you. I think you are, my friend. I'm starting to feel like a Minnesotan. Okay, well, one more time count. That's Beijing, Nij, Niswe, Niwen, Nanan. Here, let's see if you can do it. Okay, Beijing, Nij, Niswe, Niwen, Nanan. I love to count. I am the Count. I count in Ojibwe now. Beijing, Nij, Niswe, Niwin, Nanan. 5. Hey, that's really good. Okay, well, there you go. Counting to 5 in Ojibwe. Let's see, what else should we talk about? Oh, I don't know. Is this pretty much what you do on this podcast? Yeah, this is. And you know what? The longer you're on this podcast, your vampire accent kind of slides into this. I don't know what you call it, the res accent. Yes, I'm noticing that too. Well, maybe we should cut it short before I completely lose my Transylvanian accent. Yeah, you just did it again. Okay, well, hey, that's all we have for the show. And I want to thank you for watching BOOZHOO Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I will see you again. Gigawaba min minowa. Oh, hey, well, thanks for being on the show, Count. That was kind of cool. Oh, it was my pleasure, my friend.